Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Today's recipe is roll cakes with banana. First, mix 2 glasses of milk, 2.5 tablespoons of flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of starch, a packet of vanilla in a pot and cook them, stirring constantly. When it boils, add a tablespoon of butter, it gets thick, and take the mixture from the cooker. Now add a packet of whipped cream and mix it with a mixer as you see. This will be a very good filling for your cake. Now the cake. Mix 3 eggs and a glass of sugar, add a glass of flour, a packet of baking powder, a packet of vanilla. Keep on mixing again. Now oil the baking paper surface. Pour the mixture and spread the mixture equally. You can use a spoon as you see. Bake the cake 180 degrees heated oven for 10 minutes. It's time for shaping. Roll the cake with the baking paper hot first. Roll it tightly. And then open the roll. Spread the filling custard on the cake. Put 2 bananas inside the roll as you see. Roll again, as in the video. Melt a packet of bitter chocolate on the boiling water as you see. You will use it to decorate the cake, as in the video. It's ready. Cut and try. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Good appetit!